Are you ready to revolutionize your music-making journey? In just a few years, you can start making money with music without needing a studio, expensive gear, or a big team. The secret? The right AI music workflow. AI-generated music is no longer just a novelty, it's a powerful tool for creators and entrepreneurs alike. Platforms like Suno promote AI music for commercial use, while SoundRaw focuses on clear licensing. This shift is crucial. The question is not if AI can create music, but how you can profit from it. Let's dive into the practical steps you can take to monetize AI-generated music. First, understand that making money with AI music isn't about clicking a button to become a superstar. It's about leveraging AI to enhance your production. This means creating, testing, and packaging faster. Today's music serves various purposes: background tunes for videos, sound for ads, and even music for podcasts. By utilizing AI, you can quickly craft valuable music assets to sell, license, or support other income streams. Now let's explore some paths to monetization. One way is to sell AI-generated tracks to content creators. Many creators need music for their projects, from YouTube videos to podcasts. They prefer straightforward commercial licenses to avoid hassle. So, create practical tracks like background loops or motivational beats. Your strength lies in niche specialization, making it easier to meet specific needs. Another avenue is to use AI music in your own monetized content. Enhance your YouTube channel or podcast with original tracks, turning them into income-generating machines. The third option is offering custom music as a service. Many businesses want tailored sound assets rather than generic tracks. AI tools let you produce drafts quickly, delivering unique results clients will value. Then consider building a niche music library. Create collections for specific themes, like study music or background tunes for brand videos. Niche libraries appeal to buyers because they provide clarity on what to expect, boosting your sales potential. Also, think about offering music for ads and marketing. Businesses need engaging sound for their content, and AI music can fill that gap quickly and efficiently. Remember to prioritize licensing and rights. Rights can vary between platforms. Ensure you understand your own rights, as rights related to AI-generated music can be complex. Check what each platform offers before moving forward, and don't assume AI-created music is automatically protected. Choosing the right AI music tool is vital. Look for platforms that allow you to create practical outputs while fitting your niche. Now, let's make this practical. Choose one market to focus on, whether that's podcasters, small brands, or fitness audio. Create music for utility rather than ego, emphasizing usable tracks over chart toppers. Build packages and libraries tailored to specific needs in your market. Always clarify licensing before selling anything, and integrate music into your own content for additional income sources. Avoid getting lost in the excitement of tools without thinking about the business behind them. Your music must solve a problem and be valuable to customers. The true product is the outcome of your music: engaging content, memorable brand sounds, or valuable audio services. People will pay for results, not just the novelty of AI. So can you make money with AI-generated music by 2026? Absolutely. The demand for usable audio is growing, and the tools are available to help you succeed. But remember, success comes to those who treat AI music as leverage for faster, smarter creation and packaging. The key takeaway? Focus on what music assets you can create, package, and sell. By asking the right questions, you'll discover the path to profit.